People, welcome back. Wow, go on, y'all miss me, bro. I know these guys miss me, bro. Y'all miss my upload, bro. People, y'all watch the first King Tavii that I upload, bro. Is no gimmicks, bro. You understand? This guy is a comedian as well. You understand? That one random. This one is Memba good no man. Like Memba good no. That is Patwa, bro. Broken English, bro. You understand? Patwa. Y'all want to learn Patwa? Forward. Wagwan. Let's say it together. Wagwan. Wagwan. Another one. Where ya deal with? Can you say that? Let's say it together. Where ya deal with? Let's hear you say it now. It's kind of funny, bro, because you speak different language, bro. But y'all just leave your comment. Okay? Guys, subscribe right now and thank you very much for your subscribe. People, let's get right into it. When I ease up. Y'all need some comedy on my channel. Here is comedy, bro. Here is comedy, bro. Check it out. This guy is not.
Michael, me there at the park, you know. Yeah. Which one I entrance them? You say yes, she come true.
Right, and one entrance alone the park.
Yeah, but which one? Which one are the entrance them?
Dog, me just see a woman going in the park, bro. Me there in a taxi, so me know.
Yeah, it's one entrance the park of, and he's still asking which one, which entrance.
See which part she go. When me talk to you about it, you know, brother, you watch it.
Yo, me so call about. Yo, me so call about. Me so call about. Yo, me G. What go on?
He cloned himself.
You see that girl about the place in the park?
He cloned himself into the video. Yo, this guy is tough like stone, bro. Yo, he's smart. This guy is intelligent. He's intelligent, bro.
Why you want to know that?
I'm a woman, you know, and me I try find her.
I don't really inform, you know. I don't really do the inform thing, so I don't know. And plus, my memory not so good like that, so I not gonna remember, you know.
Oh, this could have boost up your memory, though. I can boost up your memory.
I mean, a short-term memory me have still, so I can remember a little thing, but nah guarantee I remember the full thing.
More panic.
Remember good now.
Oh, yeah, man, I can remember a thing now, man. I can remember one thing now, I remember something, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, me see her.
Where you see her?
Yeah, at this so now me I have memory problem now, you know. Cause as me tell you, my memory not so good. You do, me not really remember the full thing them like that.
Yeah.
Remember good, remember
Yeah,
good.
man, yeah, me I remember now, man.
Please.
I remember one, two thing now, man.
Yeah. You better reach it,
You
bro.
see another plum tree there, so.
What should I do?
You see a thing, you know. But I just remember.
Blood
So I don't know if you can help me remember.
Yeah. Yeah. People, this guy's tough, bro. Like these kids, bro. Bro, it's like a movie, bro. Bro, this is King Tavii talent, bro. He got talent in what he do, bro. Trust me. You have to laugh, bro. Even when you're upset, you have to laugh. People, subscribe right now. Thank you very much.
Boy, I don't think that enough memory from my brain, you know, cause you have to remember say my memory not so good, you know.
So, how is it possible, bro? How is it possible? How is it possible? Like, whenever he see the cash, he have to remember. Like, that's when he remember. Bro, like, to go to this guy about something, bro. To go to this guy about something. Even if this guy is a security guard and the boss said, hey, what happened tonight? You understand? They steal my stuff. Like, the boss have to be rich, bro. Like, billionaire, bro, to pay this guy to remember.
Yeah, and a whole heap of things I think about daytime, so Yeah, you really have to go help me remember that one, you know?
Yo, and I like what he do. Like, look, like you see his hand stretch over, give him the cash, bro. Like you don't see the money, so he give back himself the money just to pay back himself the money. Yo, smart, bro.
Yeah,
Stop.
man, me remember good now, man. Me remember everything clear. Everything clear, me remember, yeah?
Bro, hurry up, bro, hurry up. Talk now.
Me see her under the plum tree with a man. And them there do activities. If you want to know the kind of activities, you have to help me remember that. So you know that you can't give me a free memory? No, I know so my brain work. How you do me, sir? I know so my brain work. My brain need food. I give the whole of my money, you know. Can't operate without food. I give the whole of my money, you can't give me a free memory. Yeah, me I say no, my general. You sound like you know I remember nothing, you know. So here what, me I lift up. I don't see where you're there.
Blood clot.
Don't see where you're there, I'm not too deep on that, yeah?
Bro, he's a blind man.
Blood
See where you're
clot.
there, I'm not deep on where you're
Writing, tell him do the writing. Call my bitch and tell her.
Yo, he's an artist too. He sings song. You understand? Yo, guys. Yeah. How is it possible? How this is possible, bro? Yo, how is it possible? Yo, it's a blind man collecting the money, bro. It's a blind man collecting the money, bro. Saying he have to remember and he see her under the plum tree. Bro, there's no plum tree, by the way, bro. People subscribe right now. People, I'm out.